The inbound methodology is all about attracting the right audience, converting leads, closing sales, and delighting customers. But have you ever wondered about the importance of a research report during the close stage? Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Think of a research report as a detective's toolkit, diving deep to gather information that could change the game. During the close stage, where deals are finalized, a research report can provide invaluable insights. But who exactly needs this report? Let's dive in. 1. Salespeople. They want to understand what factors influence the purchase decision. The research report can help identify successful tactics and areas for improvement. 2. Marketers. Even after closing a sale, marketers need feedback. This helps in refining strategies, optimizing campaigns, and even creating better targeted content in the future. 3. Managers and executives. These decision-makers rely on research reports to determine the effectiveness of strategies, allocate resources, and make informed decisions for the future. 4. Customers surprised. Research reports can be a tool to show customers that their feedback and preferences matter. It builds trust and ensures they feel valued. In essence, a research report acts like a piece of a puzzle, helping businesses to continuously refine their approach, improve customer satisfaction, and maximize ROI. So, the next time you're navigating the close stage of the inbound methodology, remember the power and significance of a well-prepared research report. Stay informed. Stay ahead. Utilize the insights from your research reports to excel in every stage of your business journey.